Design and engineering teams are often overstretched, manually creating custom SOLIDWORKS parts, assemblies and drawings for new orders and speculative inquiries, leaving little time to focus on other high-value tasks. Introducing DriveWorksXpress, entry-level design automation that's included for free in every seat of SOLIDWORKS. Enter product requirements and DriveWorksXpress automatically creates new, order-specific versions of your SOLIDWORKS parts, assemblies and drawings. It's fast, reliable and free. Setting up and using DriveWorksXpress is simple. Capture the parameters you manually update in SOLIDWORKS, build an input form to enter your product requirements, and create rules to accurately calculate how the captured parameters should be updated. It's that easy. And once DriveWorksXpress is set up, you can run it over and over again to quickly create new SOLIDWORKS parts, assemblies and drawings automatically. DriveWorks is suitable for any manufacturer creating same but different products. Open DriveWorksXpress from the Tools menu in SOLIDWORKS and start automating your designs for free today.